Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we will learn types of plants. What are the different types of plants? And we can see many different types of plants. So I'm just asking a question. When we see a plant, what we feel? We feel very happy, right? Let us discuss. Types of plants. We see many kinds of plants around us. Some are big and some are small. So different types of plants grows in different conditions. There are different types of plants and they are tree, shrub, herbs, climber and creeper. What are the types? There are 5 types of plants. Tree, shrub, herb, climber and creeper. So let us discuss this one by one. Trees. Big and small plants are called the trees. The hard and strong stem of a tree is called a trunk. What are the example? Example of the trees: banyan, neem, mango, and people. So trees are we can say this as trees are very big and tall in size, and their stem is also very strong, and their stem is known as a trunk. Do you know what do you mean by bark? From the big trees, the outer part of the tree, that means we can say the skin of the tree. This is known as the bark. The hard woody covering on the stem of the tree is called the bark. The cinnamon is commonly used spices and flavoring agent is derived from the bark of cinnamon tree. Can you see? This is used as a spices. We can say this is the bark of the tree, that is the outer surface of the tree. The bark of the tree absorbs the pollutant gases from the air, and that means it purifies the air and gives us the oxygen. The trees are very important in our environment. They purifies the air and gives us oxygen, and also the trees makes our environment very happy. We are also keeping trees in our balcony, right? Why? Because when we can see the trees, we are feeling very happy, and also it gives us oxygen. Let us discuss shrub. Some plants with thin woody stems are called shrubs. Their branches are closer to the ground. Some example of shrubs are rose and tulsi. Sunflower are the example of shrubs. Herbs. Some plants with soft stem are called herbs. Their stems are very soft. And for example, spinach, mint, coriander. Spinach, mint, and coriander. These all we can see in our kitchen. Okay, so their stems are very soft. Then climber. Some plants need the support of trees. What they need? They need support of trees or walls to grow upwards. So they are called the climbers. Why they need support? Because their stems are very weak. They cannot stand alone. So they want support. What do you mean by support? Suppose a small baby, 1-year baby, he cannot walk alone, so he wants support of others like mama or papa. So this is known as support. Like this also, the peas and the grapevine and the money plant, they need support of others like wall, other trees to grow. So they are the climbers. Then creeper. Some plants with weak stems that grows along the ground. Such plants are called creeper. Like pumpkin, watermelon, muskmelon, they are the creepers. Characteristic of plants. Plants are of different colors. Plants grow in different kinds of locations and conditions. Different plants have different fragrances. We know there are different types of plants, and their colors, some of are their show plants. So they are having different fragrance also. Their smell is different as compared to different plants. Leaves. Leaves are the most important part of a plant. They are the food factories of plant. We can say, as we know, the leaves is known as the kitchen of the plants, because the leaves prepare the food for the plants with the process of photosynthesis. So leaves are very important for the plants. Leaves have small pores is called stomata on their surface. With the help of plants breathe. So with the help of stomata, plants breathe. So this is called stomata. These are the tiny poles present backside of the plants. Leaves that have chlorophyll make food for plants with the help of sunlight, water, and air. With the help of sunlight, water, and air, this process of making food of plant is called photosynthesis. With the presence of the sun, air, and water, so it makes the plants makes its own food. This process is known as photosynthesis. Dependence on plants are very important to us. We cannot live without them. We also call them as our green friends. Okay, without plant we cannot live. Plants gives us fresh air to breathe. Just tell, without breathe can we live? No. So plants are our friends. Plants gives us oxygen to breathe to the environment. We also get rubber from the rubber plant, and we also get jute from the fibers, and from the jute we can also make some products. So some plants like neem, aloe vera, garlic, ginger and tulsi are used for medicinal purposes. So this is a garlic, a tulsi, aloe vera. These plants are using as the medicinal purposes. We get cotton from the cotton plant, which is used to make clothes. We get wood from plants to make furniture. From the wood we can also make furniture. This is the cotton plant. Plants are a source of food. We get cereals like wheat, rice, and maize from plants. We also get pulses, fruits, vegetables, and spices from plants. We, we can say plants are the source of food. We are getting so many things from the plants. Sugar is obtained from the sugarcane plant. We can get tea and coffee from the plants. We get various oils, from the sunflower seeds we can get sunflower oil. From mustard seeds we can get mustard oil. So we are getting so many things from the plants. Conclusion: plants have different shapes and sizes, colors, and fragrances. Plants are living things. They need food and water to stay alive. Plants can make their own food by the process of photosynthesis. We are depend on the plants for many things. Leaves are the most important part of a plant. They can call the food factory or the kitchen of the plants. Leaves are of different colors, shape, and size. Thank you for watching this video. If you like my video, you can like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.